I have not driven this car until now. Oh yes! I feel like my ass is going to hit the freaking asphalt. What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this POV review by AutoTopNL. My name is Max, and today we've got a very special car, a car that we have not driven until now. A Lotus Exige S. And it is not a stock one. The supercharger has been fiddled with by Coches. So this car now delivers not 350 horsepower like the stock one, but 460. Yeah, 460 horsepower on around 1080 kilos dry weight. It's going to be quick, this car. So today I'm going to show you around it. I hope I've got all the modifications in my head and I'll show you around it. We'll take it for a drive along this road. We will wave to Horse and McHorseface and we'll drive it towards the Autobahn and hope that it will stay dry because it is a bit on the edge. So before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive updates when we upload a new video. And you can follow us on Instagram at AutoTopNL. Alrighty, so because you always complain that I make everything look like such a small car because I'm so tall, brace for impact because this is going to look really small, I think. Or maybe I should just like crawl around the car. No. Okay, so we've got a black Exige S from 2015 with black wheels, which I think look really good on this car. Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, a Cobra big brake kit. We have a front splitter that is super damaged because the owner uses it as it should be used on the track, drives it hard. In here we've got the radiator for the intercooler that is on the engine. It also has a limited slip differential. It has Öhlins coilovers. It has a changed supercharger, as I said. I'll check and see if I can find the boot opener. Yeah, there it is. It also has this crazy rear wing, which is adjustable from Coches, which is all carbon fiber, and I think this is titanium. Looks freaking awesome. So there is the engine with a carbon airbox. Very cool. The supercharger. This is custom made for the car, a bracket with the intercooler on there, and behind that is the 3.5 liter V6 from a Toyota Camry. But I can assure you it works in this car. It also has a sport cat, and I believe that is it. Wait, I'll give you a good look of the rear end. How awesome does that look? It also has a different inlet manifold and a gearbox cooler. So here's the deal, guys. I have not driven this car for 1 second. Martijn brought it here. He then took the owner, Jörg, and I am left on my own. That's not too bad, actually. I am left on my own to experience this car for the first time. Martijn told me that it is pretty freaking insane. So, oh, I have to push this button first. So, I'm going to share with you my first experience, my maiden voyage in this crazy Exige. And I'm also going to turn on that one. So, guys, I'm very happy to take you with me on this journey in the Exige. Bye, horsies. Whew. Okay, I'm actually super excited to drive this car. We're going to let the windows down. Oh, you? Oh my god, that supercharger! Oh yes! Oh, there's a horse. I'm not going to scare the horse, so I'm going to turn around. Oh my god, that is a crazy supercharger whine. Oh my god, I'm already in love with this car. Oh, it's so fun to drive a car that completely surprises you. Even though Martijn told me that it was absolutely insane. Once you experience it, that's the only way. Oh. So as I said, it's about 1080 kilograms with 460 horsepower and 480 newton meters of torque. Stock Exige S does 4 seconds to 100, but it's actually impossible to get that apparently. But Martijn accomplished a 3.98 0 to 100 run, which is really quick. Okay, we're past the houses. Oh, but this, I barely fit in here, as you can see, which adds to the experience. I really don't know what to say. It is just so insane. Oh, the power delivery is so urgent. It is very torquey as well, which I was not expecting. It has a real torque grunt to it, which is awesome. The brakes feel really good as well. They do squeak a little bit, but that's no problem. Oh! Didn't go into fourth there. Shit happens. Oh my god. So because you have that incredibly low weight, of course, everything feels so much more immediate. It feels so aggressive. Oh man. So apparently this car does have AC, as you can see, but apparently when you give it full whack, the AC switches off so you have full power. How cool is that? Okay, so we're at the Autobahn. I'm getting used to the car a little bit, so I hope I can talk some more. Oh, it is very empty here. Oh, listen to that! Shift lights even. I don't want to shift too quickly and miss-shift like earlier. Oh, this is quick. This is quick. That's 260. 270, 280. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, that is ridiculous. This is fourth, yes. The gearbox, as you can see, it's a little bit tilted to the right, so it's quite difficult to find the right gear. So that's fifth. Yeah, that's sixth. Okay. Fourth. Third. Yeah, third. Here we go. Oh yes. Give it to me. Oh. This is so intense. Oh, so the company. Oh, I actually need like a second, guys. Oh, this is so exhilarating. I've driven this piece of Autobahn like, I don't know, 250 times. I don't think it has ever been this exciting, not even in like 1,000 horsepower plus cars. This is so primal, this is so analog. Fourth gear, yes. Third, okay, here we go. We've got a couple of bumps coming, so we have to be careful. So I think bumps, yes. Oh my god, these brakes are one of the best I've ever felt. They are so, there's so much feel in there. Oh, this is an absolute joy. And again, one of our subscribers, Jörg, brought us his car because he said, you guys have to drive it. Oh my god, this is exhilarating. The way this thing moves is absolutely ridiculous. And I really want one of these. And if I am buying one, I am also bringing it to Como Tech, because this setup is insane. This supercharger, these brakes, that rear wing, which is absolutely massive, but it is functional, so it's there for a reason, which is always good. Okay, get ready. Oh, turn in is super sharp, and it just darts around like a wasp on cocaine, I would say. Oh man, I've driven the Evora with the 3.5 liter V6 as well, but it's nothing compared to this. Actually, I haven't driven anything that compares to this in the slightest. Okay. Listen to that! Oh! My god, what a fantastic car, absolutely amazing to drive. Jörg's car. Woo! Oh, Exige, what an insane car. Okay guys, it's been a bit of a short one, I have the feeling, or maybe the time just went so quickly because I had so much fun. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. You can subscribe by clicking the big button in the middle. You can also check out this video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you at the next one. Bye.